Today we are diving into the classing experiment conducted by Elizabeth Loftus and John Palmer, which shook the legal system by showing that our memories can also be influenced by the use of language, by the use of different words. Now, before this experiment, it was considered that our memory worked like a video recorder, like a tape recorder, completely accurate and objective. But after this particular experiment, it was given to the public, it was given to the world that our memories can also be reconstructive. Now, it was also checked in the case of various eyewitness testimony in court trials. Now, you know that in court trials, eyewitness testimony is very important. Now, it was seen that in eyewitness testimony, their testimony, whatever they are going to deliver, it is actually influenced by the use of different words, by the use of different language by the lawyers. You have also seen the same thing in different movies also. The lawyer, the advocate in the court, they use different words, they misinterpret the information. They lead to the information which is also a misinformation. Okay, by questioning again and again, by using different kind of word. Like the same case, we have seen the movie Dishyam, you have seen the movie Talwar. In Dishyam movie also, you will find that the information is manipulated. It is actually misinformed. The memory is reconstructive. It was something else, but it was reconstructed by the actor. And same happens in the case of Talwar also, the movie Talwar also. Every witness is showing his own narrative and they are actually changing the information. So this is how memories can also be reconstructive. They are not always accurate, they are not always definite. This came after the experiment conducted by Loftus and Palmer, eyewitness testimony experiment. Now, how this experiment was conducted? So a scenario was given to a lot of students, to the participants. So the car, you can see on the screen also, a road accident was shown to the people, to the participant. Okay, now when two cars, they were hitting each other, they were smashing each other. Such kind of word were used, hitting, smashing, and then the result was seen by the participants. Now you can see over here, two kind of experiment was conducted by Elizabeth Loftus and Joel Palmer. In experiment number 1, you can see 45 participants watch video clips of car accident. I just show you the car accident. That video was shown by 45 participants. And then they were given one question. How fast was the car going when they each other? You can see over here, verb. Different verb was used. So sometimes they use the word hit when they hit each other. Sometimes they use the word smash when they smash each other, when they collide each other, when they bump each other. How fast were the cars were going? Now, on the basis of the verb introduced in this particular question, the answer were varied. Okay, their answer varied based upon the verb given in the question. Okay, so you will see average speed estimated varied what the verb was used. If they are using the word smashed, then people were saying that the car was going with very high speed. But when the word hit was used, people were saying the car was not going with a high speed, it was a normal speed. Okay, so their information is changing just by the use of word, by the use of language. So in this way, this is how your memories are reconstructive. This is also misinformation. Misinformation is given by the suggestibility of different word, by the suggestibility of different language. Okay, so another experiment was conducted. Again, 50 participants watch a video. Group 1 asked using smashed, group 2 asked using hit, group 3 no speed question. After 1 week later, they were asked if they saw broken glasses. ठीक है, तो ग्रुप 1 को वही क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, स्मैश वर्ड यूज किया गया, इनके लिए हिट यूज किया गया, ग्रुप 3 के लिए कोई भी वर्ड यूज नहीं किया गया, सिंपल. और फिर एक हफ्ते बाद पूछा गया कि किस को उस कार एक्सीडेंट के अंदर ब्रोकन ग्लास दिखे थे. आप बताइए किनको ऐसा लगेगा? उनको ऐसा लगेगा जिनके लिए वर्ड स्मैश यूज किया गया था, क्योंकि जिनके लिए वर्ड स्मैश यूज किया गया था उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा कि कार काफी स्पीड से चल रही थी. स्मैश वर्ड ही आपको ये रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. So smash group more likely to falsely recall seeing broken glasses. Okay, so this was the experiment conducted by Loftus and Palmer, and it is given some important thing. You can see over here also, memory is reconstructive. We can also reconstruct memory. Okay, there is also one more experiment related to this particular concept. We can discuss that in any other class. You can also read about it. It was conducted by Bartlett, B-A-R-T-L-E-T-T, Bartlett study. Okay, war of ghost experiment. You can see over there. So memory is reconstructive. This is the interpretation of this particular experiment conducted by Palmer. Leading questions can create false memories. what kind of question you're asking to the people, it can lead to false memories also. Okay, same you can see in the eyewitness testimony, in the court trials by the advocate, they're asking different questions leading to different memories. Okay, introduced concept of misinformation effect. Okay, what is misinformation effect? That our memories can also be distorted. They can also be changed by the use of language, by the use of word. This is known as misinformation effect. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to all of you. It is very important experiment. You will read it in the chapter of memory. Thank you.